Hello everyone, welcome to the series on AI agents beyond Jupyter notebooks. In the previous video, we understood how to implement complex human-in-the-loop architecture in our AI agent. In this video, let's look into a smaller step towards the productionization of the AI agent that we are building. In this video, I'll show you how to dockerize the application. So in order to containerize or dockerize the application, since we are using couple of services, we will need a Docker Compose YAML file and a Dockerfile to run our main application. So when I click on this Dockerfile, you see that I'm importing an image and then setting some environment variables for Python, changing my work directory, copy all the requirement txt, installing the packages, and then copy everything into the working directory app, exposing the 8080 port and running the application using uvcon command. In order to run Redis, Postgres, creating the database into the Postgres, we will be using Docker Compose file. You can see here, it first creates an image of Postgres, and when it creates the Postgres, it is using AI agent as my database name. So in case you want to change it, you can change it. Then it runs the Redis instance. Then it runs the Docker Compose file. As you can see, I'm taking it from the context. And finally, it starts the worker as well by running this run worker.py file. This way you can containerize the application and run multiple images at the same time, so that when you run the application, your application runs as a whole package. And I would like to show you this clear readme file where it explains all the steps. First, we need to create .env file, copy the content of .env.example into env file. Then with this command, you can build the image. With this command, you can build the image and up all the container. In case you want to do it in background, you can use -d. And when you want to shut down the workers and application and all the respective containers of the application, you can use Docker Compose down. But make sure you are in the same directory where you have this Docker Compose and Dockerfile. Otherwise, the commands would not work. I am very glad that you have made this far, and we have made so much progress into the application, and finally we ended with this containerization of the application. If you face any issue running the code that I have shown in this video, get back to me in the comment section. I'll surely help you. Finally, if you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.